Today we will make tutorial how to zoom in and zoom out for recording desktop or for your YouTube video or your video. Okay, first is open DBS Studio. Okay, open a DBS Studio like this. Okay, we are ready on Studio, and then we go to skin, and then we duplicate this. Okay, duplicate and type is skin 2. Okay, skin 2. After that, you push button Alt and right click. Okay, zoom in until like this. Okay, this one for skin 2. Now back to skin 1 or skin first. Duplicate again. We make a skin 3. Okay, skin 3. We push button Alt and right click. Okay, this one. Okay, and then back to skin 1, make a duplicate for skin 4. Alt and then right click. Okay, this area. Okay, so we get 4 skin. Okay, skin 1 is full screen, and then skin 2 is on the right on the top, skin 3 button on the right, skin 4 right on the side, on the right on the top. Okay, after this you go to setting menu. Okay, setting menu and hotkey. We choose a hotkey is we scroll down and click is deleted all. Saying Alt 1 for skin 1, and then skin 2 Alt 2, and then skin 3 CTRL Alt 3, skin 4 CTRL Alt 4. Okay, and then we apply. Okay, and then we try to make a video or tutorial. Okay, now we try to on the AutoCAD program. First is CTRL2, we make drawing, zoom in for new line. Okay, line, and then this. Okay, back to normal, skin normal, and then we drag to here, and then we try to add a 3 for this. Okay, this center. Okay, we try to on the top uh, with skin 4. Okay, center alt 4. Okay, center 4. Okay, and we change for this to red, back to normal. Okay, okay, that is my tips. I hope you enjoy, and then thank you very much. uh, I hope you happy to my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Maybe you can help this channel. Okay, see you.